Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So to be continued, we're gonna be changing the transmission oil on the car. Let's just get right into it. To change the transmission fluid, we gotta warm up the car. So yes, your car has to be warmed up. So just take a drive, you know, warm it up some bit, whatever. You gotta do it while it's warm. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. You will also need a 10mm hex key, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit. But once you warm up the car, you come and you park it, you know, and then you go through all your gear. So reverse, neutral, drive. So, you know, you do that. I'd say probably like a couple times or whatever. You know, just do that. And then just turn off the car. Then you're gonna jack it up, and that's what we're gonna do. So you're gonna need a funnel, pretty much like a skinny one, so it can go into where you gotta put the transmission fluid. I'll show you this in a bit. Then you'll need one of these. Honestly, I just went to like Advanced Auto and just got one. It's like $6, whatever. So it's a 10mm. Hopefully there's the correct size. That's what it's on the website. So alright, this little tool I told you, and then get yourself one of these. Like honestly, it's like you're changing an oil. Alright, so look for the drain plug, which is right there. Now the car is hot though, so what you want to do is you're gonna take it off, put the pan on the bottom, and it might spill, so have a rag ready, and everything will come out really fast. So just be careful, guys. Just be careful what you do, don't get burned. So while that's draining, it's still like dripping. It made like a little bit of mess. Since I am going to change my filter, that's the filter right here. It uses a couple bolts, and I gotta take off the line after this finishes draining, just in case. That's my neighbor, my bad. Just in case this leaks out anything, I'm gonna just have this under it. So my hands are very dirty, poor camera, but as you guys see, that's the new filter. Once you take it off, it's gonna drain some oil from here. So I put a rag. I made a big old mess like around this whole area. But the new filter is on, the oil is out. We just gotta put in the new oil. I already tightened this and tightened the plug on the bottom as well. So everything's all set. Honestly guys, it's like so easy. It'll take you like what, I'd say half an hour probably, if you know what you're doing, or you know, if you're not filming a video. But yeah, super easy. All you gotta do is take these lines off, take 1, 2, 3 bolts off, just drain it, take the plug out, and that's it. And then just fill it up again with the same amount of oil that you took out. That was like about 4.5 quarts of oil, because that's the same thing I use for my engine oil. So that's what it looks like. We're gonna make sure we tighten everything else, and then we're just going to put the oil in and pray to God that this transmission is good. So here's the old filter. That's what it's looking like. It's like all nasty and stuff. So hopefully the new one with the new oil that I have in there, everything is good. All right, everything seems good. So we got, look, this is perfect. So we got a little funnel. All right, we're gonna have to hold this. So with our CVT transmission fluid, we're gonna crack this open and put it in. All right, first we're gonna start off with 3 quarts, and then we're gonna add from there and make sure everything's good. All right, so here's an idea I have. So so far I got 1, 2, 3. I put 3 in there, and I got that funnel as an extra. So I'm gonna take the old grease. And start putting in here and see how much it fills up, and see how much I have left in there to see how much I actually need. Okay, the car's on, it's alive. So far it's running good. So as you guys see, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, and just a tad more. And this was like about here, and I just added this much, and that's it. Now we're gonna let the car warm up. We're gonna drive it, you know, take it easy at first. and we're gonna keep measuring it and making sure it's where it's supposed to be, and that's what we're gonna be doing. We finished everything. Been driving the car for the last couple of days just to make sure before I put the video out everything was working fine. But you know, thank God everything went fine. I literally took the whole day to measure the oil. Your dipstick has two pretty much indents. So from the bottom up on the second indent, that's where you want the oil to be at all times. Nothing more, nothing less, so your transmission can be good. It's a pretty straightforward job. It's not much thinking that you have to do to change the oil. So if you guys are thinking about it, I say do it yourself. Don't pay a dealership to do it for you because it's gonna steal your money. It's way too easy to do it. You guys can do that in like at least an hour, well, at most an hour. Now you don't have to change the filter. I changed it just because, you know, as you guys know, I have high miles on my car and that filter was never changed. So I changed it just so I can know that the new fluid will flow well, you know, with the new filter and all that. So look at these people, bro. No one knows how to drive these days. This is insane. But yeah, everything's fine, guys. You know, thank God. Hopefully the car stays like that. So the next video that you guys are gonna see, I have a couple more mods for the car that made the car drive way better. And honestly, if you have aftermarket wheels, you're gonna need this for your car. No matter what, you're gonna need it, because it just makes your driving so much better. Like I'm telling you, so much better. So stay tuned for that. You guys don't want to miss that. And then we got other things to do. I ordered a part so I complete a mod that I had to do a while back, which I haven't done, which I'm going to do soon. So I'm catching up with like pretty much a lot of the maintenance on the car that I had to do. But the car is driving good, driving fine. The transmission, it feels way better than it did before. So far I haven't heard a whine. Like I've pushed the car a little bit. I only heard like a faint whine, but honestly it's been good. So I might just do it again, like, you know, drive the car for a couple thousand miles and then go and drain and fill the transmission again, so I can make sure that it has more new fluid than old fluid, you feel me? So that's what we're gonna be doing, guys. But yeah, that's all I have for now, guys. Honestly, I just want to tell you and show you the process of changing transmission oil. It wasn't that bad. I was trying to get the fluid coming out, but I guess I didn't put the camera to record. I don't know what happened. I've been looking everywhere for the video. I thought I was filming, but I guess I didn't. So I'm sorry about that. You guys only saw, you know, when it came out. I wanted you to see the way it came out and it gushed. I mean, oh cop. Honestly, I do not know what happened that I didn't record that part, but I'll try to get it next time. But it was just an easy job. 1, 2, 3, you guys can do it. That's all I got for you guys. Stay tuned for the next video with the new mods. Consider subscribing, consider liking the video and sharing the videos. But that's what I got for you guys. Stay tuned, stay blessed. God bless you all. Love you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.